Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. So let's look at the approximate time of onset. And this is for the key events in the ischemic cardiac myocytes. So in this, let's look at the onset of the ATP depletion. This involves in seconds, so this happens in seconds. Then loss of contractibility, it is less than 2 minutes. ATP is reduced to 50% of normal. This is in 10 minutes, and to 10% of normal will be 40 minutes. Now, how is the irreversible? Irreversible cell injury. Irreversible cell injury includes 20 to 40 minutes. Then the microvascular injury that involves, it is greater than 1 hour. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.